When you purchased a 360 capable action camera like the GoPro Max 2, the core camera is only part of what determines how well you can shoot, protect, and adapt it to different scenarios. The right set of accessories can extend your runtime, secure the camera in rugged environments, allow creative mounting options, and help you recover from lens damage. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 excellent accessories for the GoPro Max 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have GoPro Official Enduro Rechargeable Battery. Battery life is often the first limitation you hit when filming in high-performance modes or in cold weather. The GoPro Enduro Rechargeable Battery is built to optimize output over a wide temperature range and improve runtime under performance settings. Power your all-day adventures with the 1960 mAh rechargeable Enduro battery for the Max 2, a high-performance GoPro battery designed to extend runtime, boost performance, and maintain reliability across a wide range of temperatures. It delivers full functionality even in temperatures as low as 14 - 10 C, making it ideal for capturing epic ski runs, snowboard sessions, or any outdoor adventure that comes your way. For longer shoots, carrying 1 or 2 spares is a smart move, letting you swap in a fresh battery without interrupting your session. On number 2, we have GoPro Official Protective Case. Your Max 2 faces risks from bumps, drops, dust, moisture, and interference from other gear. A well-constructed protective case provides structured protection for the camera and its accessories. Protect your Max 2 from damage on all your adventures with this durable clamshell case. Its compression-molded shell resists spills and scratches, providing reliable protection for your camera. Designed specifically for Max 2 cameras, it accommodates the camera even when mounted on an extension pole, so you don't need to remove it to store it. Lightweight and compact, the case easily fits into a jacket pocket or travel bag for convenient portability. With a good protective case, you can move between locations, backpacks, vehicles, rough trails without second-guessing the safety of your gear. On number 3, we have magnetic latch mount. Mounting flexibility is critical, especially with a spherical camera like the Max 2, which often needs to be oriented carefully to avoid self-obstruction or pole visibility in the frame. Mount this magnetic latch mount to any 1x4 to 20 camera accessory for faster, easier camera swapping between setups. Its magnetic alignment ensures the camera snaps perfectly into place using the auto-engaging dual latches. No thumb screw required. Pair it with your favorite extension pole or tripod to quickly adjust your point of view. The dual latch design holds your camera securely while allowing effortless release with a simple pinch. Because it supports standard mounting threads, it can pair well with tripods, arms, rigs, or existing mounting setups, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. On number 4, we have GoPro Replacement Lens Kit. Unlike typical action cameras, the Max 2 uses dual lenses for its 360 capture, so protecting and maintaining optical clarity is doubly important. Spend more time capturing your adventures and less time worrying about lens damage with the Max 2 Lens Replacement Kit. It includes 2 replacement lenses, allowing you to swap out a scratched or damaged lens without replacing the entire camera. Crafted from durable optical glass with a water-repellent coating, these lenses keep your Max 2 resilient and long-lasting. The kit also comes with a user-friendly tool that lets you install a new lens without ever touching the glass. Being prepared with a replacement lens kit can save you downtime and repair costs, especially when shooting in rugged or dynamic environments where lens damage is more likely. On number 5, we have GoPro 4-foot extension pole. To fully exploit the 360 capture potential of the Max 2, you'll often want a mounting pole that disappears from the frame. Extending up to 48 inches and collapsing down to 10 inches, this extension pole is perfect for capturing selfies, elevating your camera above the action, or getting closer to the scene. When paired with 360 cameras, the pole virtually disappears from the frame, allowing you to create stunning self-capture shots that look as if someone else is filming you. The pole is constructed from lightweight, durable aluminum and typically includes features such as anti-slip grips, a wrist lanyard, and a mounting finger adapter for flexible orientation. This gives you the reach you need for sweeping aerial perspectives or crowd shots while keeping the stick out of your composition. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.